Welcome to this detailed guide on setting the time duration for slides in PowerPoint. In this walkthrough, you will learn how to adjust the auto advance time for your slides so that your presentation can move forward on its own during a kiosk mode or timed display. Begin by opening the PowerPoint application on your computer. Once the program is launched, your first priority is to locate and open the presentation you wish to work on. Make sure you have the correct file ready, as this will be the one where you will be modifying the slide timings. After your presentation has loaded, direct your attention to the upper ribbon where various tabs are listed. In this tutorial, you need to navigate to the tab labeled Transitions. The Transitions tab is where PowerPoint houses many of its animation and slide change settings, making it an essential area for working with slide timing options. By clicking on this tab, you can view several tools designed to manage how and when your slides shift during your presentation. Once you have access to the Transitions tab, look for the section that controls the timing and advancement of your slides. This specific area is typically labeled as Advanced Slide. In the Advanced Slide section, you will notice options that enable you to decide whether the slide progresses with a click of the mouse or automatically after a set period. Focus on these settings, as they allow you to customize the timing to suit the requirements of your presentation. Within the Advanced Slide section, you will see a checkbox option labeled with the word After, which indicates the ability for the slide to automatically move on after the specified duration. Check this box to enable auto advance functionality. Once activated, you will have the opportunity to set the duration you want each slide to be displayed. Simply input the number of seconds that each slide should remain visible. It is important to choose a duration that best fits the content of your slide. Consider the amount of text, images, or data presented, and adjust the timing so that your audience has enough time to absorb the information. After setting the desired duration in the After field, you can review your changes by moving through your presentation in slideshow mode. This will allow you to ensure that the slides advance at the pace you intended. It is helpful to preview several transitions, particularly if your presentation features a mix of visual and textual content, so that the timing is consistent and effective throughout the entire deck. This step-by-step process provides you with a straightforward method for managing slide duration in PowerPoint. By following these instructions, you can enhance your presentations by automating slide advancement, thereby creating seamless and professional transitions between slides. Enjoy the flexibility of setting each slide's display time and tailor your presentation to the unique needs of your audience. With these clear instructions, you are well on your way to producing a dynamic and engaging presentation that runs smoothly and on schedule.